Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 4. Expand 2a plus b in brackets into a minus b in another bracket. A, we have 2a square minus ab minus b square. B, we have 2a square minus b square. C, we have 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. And D, we have 2a square plus ab minus b square. So we're given this algebra and we are to expand this algebra. Now we have 2a plus b in brackets into a minus b in another bracket. Now for us to expand this algebra, it means that we are multiplying the content of bracket a times the content of bracket b. And now for us to do this, we multiply we pick each of these and multiply this. Now what do I mean? So here now we'll have that by doing this, expanding this, we have 2a into a minus b, then plus b into a minus b. Now let's continue. 2a multiplied by a here will give us 2a square minus 2a times minus b will give us minus 2ab. So you have 2 minus 2ab here, then plus b multiplied by a will give us plus ab plus ab, and then plus b multiplied by minus b will give us minus b square. Remember, minus times positive, we always give you minus. So you have minus b square. So now we have 2a square minus 2ab plus ab minus b square. Now let's look at this and collect like terms. Here we have 2a square. Now we have minus 2ab plus ab. You see that these are like them, and here we have minus 2 and here we have plus 1. This is the same thing as saying minus 2 plus 1 is the same thing as saying minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will give us minus 1. So that is minus ab, because we have minus 2ab here plus ab. So it will give us minus ab, then minus b square. So this is the expansion of this 2a plus b in brackets into a minus b in another bracket. So this is the expansion. Now which of these corresponds to our answer? This option A here says 2a square minus ab minus b square. Yes, this is the correct answer. It corresponds to our answer. B here says 2a square minus b square, which is wrong. C here says 2a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is wrong. And D here says 2a square plus ab minus b square, which is wrong. So our final answer is A. A is the answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.